Hi friends! Hello everybody! Merry Christmas! Happy holidays to all! So, again, it's me, Karina Canada, on the road. And today is Christmas Day. And I want to greet everyone Merry Christmas. So right now, we are here in Barrie, en route. When we say en route, this is like the rest area here. Here on Highway 400, where you can fill up your gas, you can buy coffee, and there's also a bank machine, and also for the washroom. And you can buy coffee, and there's a free Wi-Fi. So Barrie is like an hour away from Toronto, and right now it is snowing, and there is a snow squall warning. So friends, I would just like to show you or share with you my video today, how it looks like on a snowy day. There is a warning for snow squall in Barrie, Ontario. So today is also Christmas Day, and this is how we celebrate Christmas here in Canada. White Christmas, Christmas will not be Christmas without a white Christmas here. And it is really quiet now, very different on how we celebrate Christmas here because of the pandemic. Again, friends, this is Karina Canada on the road. I hope you will like my video, and thank you for watching. If it's your first time to watch my video, please subscribe. And again, thank you for watching. Merry Christmas to all, and advance Happy New Year. Bye! So that is the highway. Right now it's -6. I don't know what's the wind here. It's really cold. You see the dog? I'm wearing my boots. So this is the highway. If you're going up north, this is a major highway. Highway 400. Oh, look how deep the snow is now. The snow is so fresh. Look. Lie down. friends, this is the en route. So if you go inside, there are coffee shop there, like Tim Hortons, which is known for its donut and coffee. There's A&W for the hamburgers, and there's an ATM machine, and there's another store there, the market store, where you can buy some groceries or even some like that you can need. You want to buy anything, they have winter clothes if you want to buy, if you need something. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is me, Karina Canada, on the road from Barrie, Ontario, Canada. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Bye. Oops.